Today's PYP exhibition presentation is all about something we do every day, making food choices. This group wanted to inquire the effects of food choices in our body and in our mind. Enjoy the presentation of the effects of food choices.
My name is Angelica Moran, and I will introduce my exhibition's group and topic. We chose to inquire about the effects of our food choices. We covered many topics, from the effects in our bodies, components of nutrition, and connection with economic incomes. And now, my fellow group members will explain our findings. Gia, please.
After researching about the effects of our choices of food in our bodies, we learned that what we eat is the fuel that helps us think and have energy. It makes our bones stronger as well as our muscles. But stay tuned as Lila will tell you more.
In order to learn more about nutrition, we invited Ms. Estefania Sandoval Gonzalez, a nutritionist, to give us a virtual conference. We learned so much. To tell you more, we have Isabela.
That's right. After our presentation about nutrition, I would like to share a few important details that will benefit you when preparing your meals. My Plate Nutrition Guide by Isabella Cruz for my exhibition topic. First off, what is in my plate? My plate contains fruit, vegetables, protein, grains, and dairy. Half of my daily energy should be fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have a variety of colors and textures. Some of its benefits can be major sources of essential vitamins and minerals. It helps hydrate the body and contain antioxidants, which help prevent sicknesses. The other half of my daily energy should be grains and protein. Grains are a major source of energy. Some examples of grains can be bread, beans, and rice. It helps hydrate it helps our body by development, physical activity, and it helps us sleep better. Now, protein. Protein can be obtained by animals and vegetables. It can repair and maintain our muscles and tissues of the body. Incorporate to your daily energy. Dairy. Major sources of calcium and vitamin D. It helps maintain strong bones and healthy teeth. Other important substances for your daily energy. Fiber. Fiber helps food move easily through the digestive system. Also, it can be found in grains, vegetables, and fruits, and much more. It is better when accompanied by water. Last but definitely not least, water. Water is vital for life. Water is good for brain function, transportation, nutrition within the body, and it prevents cavities. In this chart you can see right here, it tells you how much water you should drink a day depending on your age and sex. Now Johnny will add some more info.
Did you know that what you eat actually feeds the cells in your body? We need to be careful with what we eat if we want to be healthy. Elisa will talk about our action.
As part of our action, Javi, our own chef, will be preparing a healthy, low-budget lunch to prove that you can nourish your body correctly even with a low budget. And now, our own chef, Javi!
Hey guys, and I'm going to show you an amazing virtually chicken drumsticks recipe. I have here wine without alcohol, I have here olive oil, I have here salt, pepper to taste, and to taste paprika. I have a room temperature garlic, I got garlic cloves, I got room temperature butter, I have onions, and the complement is gonna be mashed potatoes. I have always my sharp knife grater, and I'm gonna marinate it sort of like 15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how to cut an onion. So it has multiple ways. You can do it sweet, but you need to always be safety. So I'll cut this, and then it can be julienne or it can be small dice. So I'm gonna do it small dice. You're gonna cut it very thinly. then you're gonna reverse it and then cut it. It's gonna be like then extra sharp. And then you add that to your chicken drumsticks, and you do the whole process again until you get enough onions. I'm pounding the garlic. You're gonna smash it, cut it very thinly. And did you know how if you cut the garlic thinner, the tender the meat? It's very important to season the meat because it adds extra flavors. So I'm gonna add wine that I mentioned earlier, salt, pepper, and paprika. I'm going to add salt. This is cooking red wine, and I'm gonna pour it so it can be tender. And I'm gonna put it in together. I'm gonna put the drumsticks until brown, and then this sauce, I'm gonna move it and then put it. To complement the drumsticks, I'm going to add mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna peel it. I like it to peel it with my knife because it's easier for me. I cut the potatoes, so I'm gonna put it in hot and warm and preheated water with oil and salt. Time to plate. I like my plate to be beautiful, so I'll try to do it as beautiful as possible. I'm gonna put it in the middle. This dish has many textures and also many flavors. We have here the watery element. We have here the creamy one. We have here the protein. We have here the carbohydrates. This is sauce. And then we have the healthy stuff here. And then it's a balanced dish. I invite you to do it at home. It's a quick, cheap, easy dish that you can do at home anytime if you're alone without your parents.
I hope that you enjoyed our presentation, and remember, you are what you eat.